Hello developers, in this video I'll show you some basic CMD commands. Before getting into the video, do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Without further delay, let's get right into the video. To get IP address of any website, type ping and type the name of the website. I'm going to get the IP address of Facebook. Copy the IP address and search it in Chrome. This will take you to the website, which is hosted on the particular IP address. To get the list of all the running program, type task list in your CMD. This command will print all the programs which are currently running on your PC. Type system info in your CMD. This command will print all the information about your PC. Type color Z in your CMD. This command will print all the available colors, then type color, then enter the index of the color which you want to use. This command will automatically change the font color of your command prompt. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and do follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.